floating. He's like, bro, I'm happy in here. I'm thriving.
I'm a bath bomb now.
Let's just take a second to look at my cat. Hello, she is beautiful. Hello, my friends. Welcome to another challenge video. I'm scared. You guys always want to see these. You're always like, Andrea, do a challenge video. And I'm over here like, bro, they're really scary to me. On Instagram.com/peachybbies. Follow it right now. I don't know why you're not doing that. If you're here, you should be there. And today, we're gonna be doing a little experiment. It's gonna get a little crazy. It's gonna get a little messy. So I was filming a restock video for Peachybbies, the YouTube channel. In the middle of getting a thumbnail, I dropped the slime in the bath. And I was pretending to put him in the bath. And I actually did. I have a huge pile of slimes. We're gonna drop them in. You guys have to play along at home. Before I drop any of the slimes in, you have to go down in the comments, tell me what you think is gonna happen. Person who gets the most right wins.
My love, affection,
And a shout out. I'll pin your comment if you wanna play along. I'm always hanging out in the comments for the first hour or two that this goes live. Notification shout outs. Thank you guys so much for doing that and being here super early. If you want a chance to be featured in next week's notification shout outs, all you have to do, turn on the notification bell. You have to double click it because I have cats to feed. For just one share of this video, you could help this cat get a new toy. So she needs a new mouse. She ripped all her mouses apart. Do it for the cats, okay? You can go. Oh, I'm covered in fur.
Ariana, no!
Let's do this. Let's get this done. Let's make a huge mess. Come on. Welcome to my bathroom. Quick tour, okay? There's my bathtub. That's it. Yeah, so we're gonna dump some stuff in a bathtub. Are you excited? I'm trying not to be too loud because it echoes in here. Echo! I wanted to do one of every texture of slime.
I have like a thick base slime. I have a full floam slime. I have a clear slime.
We're gonna be putting it into my, I wanted to say pond, into my, shoot, what's the word? Into my bathtub. Starting to realize this probably wasn't a good idea. Let's get started. Why do I look so shiny? Do I look shiny to you? I look shiny. So this is the Bubbly Berry Floam. This Floam is really nice. It's really soft and crunchy and it's one of our newer slimes. So this one's pretty fresh. See how this goes into the tub. Crunchity, 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 crunchity. Okay, this is the first one. It's going in. Okay, no turning back. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, it's not doing what I thought it would do, but I mean, it's not bad. Just floating. He's like, bro, I'm happy in here. I'm thriving.
I'm a bath bomb now.
Look, look, look. Twins! Next we have a cotton candy icy slime. So this one, I think I showed you guys. I mixed it up. It was half pink and half blue. Honestly, I didn't even really want to sacrifice him because I love him so much, but we're gonna do it for science! This setup is so weird. I'm just sitting in my bathroom at 3 a.m. alone. What is my life? Before I drop it in, down in the comments, what do you think is gonna happen? Do you think it's gonna dissolve? Do you think it's gonna do whatever Mr. Floamy over here is doing? Into the bath with you. Oh, wow. Oh, he's a thick boy. He's doing pretty well. He saw the Floam over there and he's like, bro, I gotta come hang out with you. Let me join. He's losing all his snow and it's kind of gummy. Next we have Captain Crunch. Let's see what happens. I also didn't really want to sacrifice my last Captain Crunch, but you know, for the good of the video, into the water. Get out into the water. Into the water with. He is taking his time. Whoa, you can like draw in the water with it. It kind of looks like a jellyfish. I'm gonna show you guys on this camera really quick. A slime that I tested dissolved down there, so that's what that is. But he's like sinking down to the bottom, but then the rest of him is like a little jellyfish. Is it gonna scent the bath? Bro, if it made my bath smell good, I'd be so happy. Do you think that bathing in glue is good for you? On to the next slime. I don't know what it is. I found it in a container. It smells like berries. Like, it smells so good. It's a traditional cloud cream texture, so it's really soft. I used to be terrified of sharks. And when I was a kid, I didn't want to sit in a bathtub or a pool because I would imagine a shark coming out and getting me. And I'm kind of getting flashbacks of that, just like dropping stuff into this bath that I'm not in. Is that weird? Do you guys do that at all, or is that just like a me thing? Into the water with me. I was prepared that time. I stepped back. in the big blue world. Na 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 na. Do do do. I've never seen before so many creatures. Slime swimming around the bathtub.
I'm actually a little ashamed of that one.
So, scientific evaluation so far. Some of them are slowly dissolving and then some of them are quickly dissolving. Either way, they are dissolving. That's all I got so far. Back to your regularly scheduled programming. This is a true cloud dough, which basically means that it is like a cloud cream, but it drizzles. I predict this slime is gonna do the exact same thing as the icy slime and the cloud cream did. Into the water with you. Woo! Whoa. Go over there, hang out with your friends. What are you doing? He's being antisocial. That one is me on the weekends. Do-do-do-do-do. This is the glitter one I was talking about. Quick side note, if you want to recreate this video with me, totally cool, but just make sure you're not washing glitter down your drain. It's really bad for the environment, and unless it specifically says that it's biodegradable, it's not. So just be careful. I want to make funny videos for you guys.
I don't want to kill animals.
So there's that. What do we think is gonna happen? I actually don't know. I feel like it's gonna be really pretty though. Boop. Ooh, look at him go. He's heavy. You guys know how I was talking about? I'm actually afraid of sea creatures. This looks like a freaking sea creature and I don't like it. So he's sunk. Let's just move on. Hopefully he'll just swim over. That's not what I thought. It looks like an animal. I don't like that at all. Okay, so this is the I Love You butter slime. So it's kind of one of my favorite things and I would not be sacrificing him if I did not have another one. It's only made with Daiso clay. It's an air dried clay. I'm curious to see what's gonna happen. Maybe eventually it'll dissolve. I don't know. Into the pool. What's he doing? He floats. Dude, if you want to take any slimes to a pool party, that's a great one to try. We've done icy slimes, thick slimes. We have tried all the cloud slimes. The only thing left is the thing that you guys voted for that I didn't really want to put in here, but now you guys voted for it, so we kind of have to put it in here. A peach Bellini shaved ice. There's a heck a lot of it. So he's doing a thing. Meanwhile, sea creature down there is just like haunting the depths. It's just wet snow. I did have you guys vote on a few more things. I asked you guys if you wanted fake snow, and then I asked you guys if you wanted glitter to make it a little prettier. And of course, you guys being the greatest people I know on the internet, except for when you make me do stupid things, you all said yes. So we're gonna add those before we go, just to see what happens. So first we had the snow, and I only added a little bit. I didn't want to go too crazy with it, but honestly, it was kind of cool. It turned my bath into like a jelly bath, and I'd totally be down to do like a full bathtub of snow. And then we added the pink glitter. I felt like you guys would be proud of me for that one, and it made everything so much more aesthetic. Come to be judged, my friends. Okay, so I have to say, let's start with the glitter. This is all that's left of the glitter one. Everything else completely dissolved. It's sitting down at the bottom. And you guys know, I'm not reaching my hand down there. I don't trust that man. Okay, can we take a second that the butter slime is actually doing amazingly well? Like, he still feels pretty much like new, just a little bit stickier. Be free, my friend. Float away. Okay, next we have the floam. And the floam, it seems like the slime part is dissolving. 5 out of 10. We have Captain Crunch. It's not really slime anymore. It's just kind of that. Then, of course, the Peach Bellini, the one you guys voted for. All that's left are its peach chunks. I want to try and fluff the cloud creams. Let's see if we can get like a good fluff out of them. It's doing the same thing where it's super dissolvey on the outside, but it's still pretty intact on the inside. So let's see what happens when we fluff it up. The last slime we have is the cloud cream, which we all know the clear winner was definitely the butter slime. Look at this guy. I'm amazed. He's still in perfect condition. And that was it for the video. Did you like it? Did you like it? Did you like it? Did you think it was cool? Did I do an outro song last week? I feel like we formed a bond now that we have a thing. We're like this now. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope that you liked it. New video next week. I normally post on my social media to let you guys know when it's up because depending on the video, some take longer to edit, some take less time to edit. I'm working as hard as I possibly can to get stuff out for you guys that's good and is funny and is cool and is not the same thing you've seen on every single other slime YouTuber's channel. Someone had to say it. What did you think the slimes would do? Did you guess right? Did you guess wrong? Please leave your answers down below. I'm gonna be in the comments for the first hour that this video goes live.
Hugging myself.
And thinking about how I want to hug all of you. Don't have anybody else to hug me. Subscribe, like, comment, and then share it with a friend. That would be really cool. I appreciate you for watching this far in the video. Okay, new videos, other channels. I love you very much. I'll see you in next week's video. Bye.